Tiger Shroff, who's a voice in Hindi for Spider-Man Homecoming. The film is releasing on 7 July 2017 in 3D and IMAX.
मुझे याद है उस वक्त हम जिम में थे, you and me, and it's all thanks to Vivek sir and Lada sir. You know, I mean, these guys are instrumental in recruiting me for this, so thank you so much. It's like a dream come true क्योंकि बचपन से मैं बहुत ही बड़ा सुपर हीरो फ़ैन हूँ, खासकर स्पाइडरमैन. हालांकि मैं ये कहना चाहूँगा कि मेरा सपना हाफ पूरा हो गया. I want to be Spider-Man actually someday. So this is one step closer for me. So yeah. Thank you so much for choosing me, and I hope I didn't let you guys down, and I hope you guys enjoyed the trailer, and I'm sure you'll enjoy the film because the film is something else.
See, I think obviously when it's important that when you get a talent to associate and dub for you, you're looking for two basically things. One is obviously the appeal of the star. Secondly, what is very important is the commitment and the passion that the talent has, and in this case, it was absolutely a no-brainer because Tiger was a big fan of Spider-Man, and the kind of effort that he has put in the dubbing, and you saw that on screen. I think the match is incredible. When you see the film, it's just amazing that how it looks so connected and the voice is sounding so similar that Tiger's done a fantastic job on the film, Tiger. So thank you so much. I think it was really, really incredible. And, I'm sure there's something that special that Tiger has done, and I think he can share it with you as to what efforts he took to, to dub for the film, etc. So,
मुझे याद है when, so there were two sort of alter egos, two characters मुझे निभाना था screen पर. One was that of Peter Parker and one was of Spider-Man, of course. So as Spider-Man, I had to sort of to get into the character. मैंने Spider-Man का mask पहन रखा था, तो I was wearing his mask and dubbing, and while doing the action sequences, I was actually moving and shouting and reacting to the hits, and it was like I felt like I was part of the film, like I was fighting as Spider-Man. So it was a very surreal experience. Yeah, I was also crying क्योंकि एक नकाब के पीछे I could hide my tears, so I was also crying out of joy, and it was a surreal experience, and I was really enjoying it. Yeah. No, actually, no training whatsoever. I was offered, and then I was called into the dubbing room, और तब शुरू हुई थी कहानी. And I think मेरे लिए आसान था क्योंकि I had a great actor like Tom Holland, जो Hollywood actor है Spider-Man का. I had to just sort of copy him to the best of my ability. और तो मुझे खाली repeat करना था जो वो कर रहे थे, और कोशिश की मैंने to sort of keep his character alive. जैसे मैं कह रहा था, एक childhood से सपना था, and सपना है. तो yeah, I think if I ever get an offer, I will definitely do it. और मैं ये भी साबित करना चाहूँगा उन सब से कि जो कुछ भी स्पाइडरमैन करता है मैं भी कर सकता हूँ. और बस और शायद बजट का भी थोड़ा उतना खर्च नहीं होगा क्योंकि मैं केबल्स ज़्यादा यूज़ नहीं करता हूँ. तो Not really, ma'am. I've been a fan of Spider-Man growing up, and I've seen all the films, and recently I've seen Homecoming as well. So, that being said, I sort of know the characteristics of Peter Parker, and yeah, I just sort of try to keep them intact.
So, like I'm telling you, the match is incredible. I mean, it's just, and the fact that he's so passionate about it. He was modest earlier, कि यार, I just had to do it as simply, but it is not. It's actually taken a lot of effort on his part to kind of get it right, and the effort that he's put in is absolutely, immense. So,
but I think that's, thank you so much. That's very sweet of you, Vivek sir. हालांकि एक करेक्शन है, मैं इंडिया का सबसे पॉपुलर सुपरस्टार नहीं हूँ.
One of the most popular.
बचकानों में बाप मेरा बाप है तो इसमें और yeah. But thank you, sir. Thank you, very kind. True. But my first reaction, I was over the moon, sir. I was over the moon, and I was most happy because I was going to get to see the film as well. So yeah, I was very happy. Hrithik Roshan or Jackie Shroff?
Tiger?
Why? Ritik, I understand. Why Jackie Shroff?
I thought you would ask otherwise.
क्योंकि सच बात ये है कि मेरे पापा एक्चुअली इंडिया का सबसे पहला सुपर हीरो थे. शिवा का इंसाफ करके एक पिक्चर थी उनकी 1985 में, and that was India's first 3D superhero film. So yeah, he was, first of all, he's also my hero, and he is my superhero. I mean, every son's first hero is their father, I think, or daughter. Yeah.
Okay, Tiger, given
अगर महाभारत पे अगर कोई मूवी बनेगी या अगर हाँ. Oh, he's already working on that. Okay, so I hope he's watching this interview then. पता नहीं यार, I think हनुमान जी शायद निभाना चाहूँगा मैं, या राम, yeah. As for the prep right now, फिलहाल there is no prep क्योंकि मुन्ना माइकल की promotion चल रही है और उसके बाद I'm getting into Baghi 2 and उसके बाद I have SOTY 2. So Rambo is still far way off, but prep will definitely be exhausting physically and mentally. खासकर क्योंकि बहुत ज़्यादा expectation है. It is, a cult action film, and it is one of the greatest Hollywood legends, Mark. So I don't want to replace him, but I'm sort of just paying a tribute to him, just borrowing it for a bit.
Any plans to enter Hollywood in future?
Yeah, I wouldn't mind if I ever get an offer, but right now I'm quite happy with my lineup. I want to be Spider-Man. That is my dream. And and of course make like every son would want to make his or her son or daughter would want to make his or her parent proud. I would want to just make my parents proud. That's the ultimate dream.